Hey YouTube, this is J to the R. I like to say that this is my initial first and last name, but this video is just talking about the shakers. Before I will make another video to go through, you might like it, so my Sims experience. I don't know what I did wrong, or probably expected something different. And it sounds great to me, but probably my expectation is different than what I thought. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. When I'm driving sounds ridiculous. Sounds is, I don't know. I don't know how it's supposed to sound anyway. But it worked. It worked. It might not work the way I thought this gonna work, but worked. I just decided just just talking about an inuke 6,000 watts pushing those 4 shakers. Like I said in the previous video, if I like, oh my gosh, why do you need a 6,000 watt amp to push 4? But the previous video will tell you why I got it. Let me play a video just to let me turn it on. I will play a video just to. I love this cockpit. Cockpit is different. It's built different. Let me play that video to show you the sound. You can hear yourself. How crazy the sound is from YouTube. I seen this video and I just click on it to music videos and rap video, but I don't care. Just it's all about sound, and just listen to it. That's the sound that you listen to from. This is not the video I haven't started yet. Here we go. This is, and also I'm gonna turn on the speakers. This is the speakers plus shakers. Just listen to it. This is the shakers. Sound ridiculous. And I'll tell you, the speakers, that sound ridiculous. This is a 45x4. If I have a receiver pushing those speakers, just think about it. This is the shakers. I love it. Like I said, I will make a video showing iRacing and just show you, I don't know. You might tell me, what I mean? It's great sound. It's incredible. It's show you the bass of this is shaker, LFE. Got 5 of them. There's 4 of them playing right now. I love it. 6,000 watts is overkill, but hey, what the heck? It sounds great. It's very cheap. Listen to the bass. Killing this rapper shit, and I'm on activists. Same seat, same computer. I will switch this Lee Pay amp to get a bigger one. So shaking the heck out of the damn cockpit, and this is a sound. I don't know if you know any other video got better bass. I'm not really into video like that, and if you see another video that have a better bass, just let me know. You know what I mean? Hey, just. But I will show you when I get to iRacing and talking about sim experience. You know, same vibe. Yeah, this is it, and that was a quick video show you the performance of the inuke 6,000 watts overkill. Talk to you guys. If you see this video and you want to talk about anything that you see in here, subscribe, let me know, and we can have a video done about it. And like I said, I will make other video talk about every single thing that I add to this cockpit. I know this bass Fanatic V2 been out for a while, and like I said, I think I had unboxing about it, but I didn't put it up. But there you go. This is a newer cockpit, look different. A lot of add-on to it. There's a lot of wires, extra stuff, and also the new amp inuke 6000. That was the sound. Talk to you guys. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like it, and we'll make a video about anything else. Peace out.